In this video, the Little Economist is going to help explain a concept that people sometimes find confusing, the difference between a change in demand versus a change in quantity demanded. He is precariously perched on a blue downward sloping demand curve. Price is on the vertical axis, quantity is on the horizontal axis, and the blue downward sloping demand curve shows us that when price is lower, the quantity demanded is higher. All else equal, when price is higher, quantity demanded is lower. In the real world, demand curves change. Sometimes people want more of something, sometimes they want less of something, regardless of the price. And that is reflected by changes in demand. It can rise when people want more of something, it can fall when people want less. That's a change in demand, a shift in the demand curve. If we're talking about a change in quantity demanded, we're looking at movements along the quantity axis that are associated with movements on the downward sloping demand curve when there are price changes. And so he's pointing with the pointer there to a mid-level quantity number, and now he's pushing out his pointer to point to a lower quantity number. So if the blue demand curve is stationary and we're looking at movements along that curve, we are talking about changes in quantity demanded. And it matters in our conversation because we can have opposite results. When the entire demand curve shifts up, when there's an increase in demand, we usually get higher prices. When quantity demanded increases, if the demand curve is stationary, that's associated with lower prices. So it's good to keep these concepts straight in order to have a clear understanding of the issues.